Hi guys, Primrose here and welcome back. So today this will be a unboxing and a review video of my favorite online plant shop here in the UK. So in my area I only have one garden center, and unfortunately they do not carry a lot of houseplant selection. They mainly have outdoor plants but not so much of the indoor plants, and for me it's important to kind of see or touch or just know the general condition of the plant before taking it home with me. And it's a bit worrying ordering a plant somewhere that is far away from you and you just do not know what the condition of the plant is when it arrives. But I've been buying plants from these people since 2016, and so far I am happy with the service. The delivery is very quick. It only takes 3 days after I placed my order, and the plants are always well packed. And although in one occasion last year a plant came to me and it was very wet inside a box, and as soon as I took it out, the leaves started to kind of wilt a little, and after 3 days it was beginning to turn into mush. So I took a picture and sent it to them explaining what the problem was, and I didn't hear anything back from them. But after 3 days a box came, and it was a replacement of the plant that I ordered from them. So since then I'm not worried at all, because I know that these people really do care for other clients. They care about delivering a good service. So this plant shop is called Perfect Plants, and I'm going to leave the link down below. So it's a online plant shop based in Sussex here in the UK. So let's see, I've ordered 3 plants, and they are just they're not rare plants, so but these are the kind of plants that I could not find in my garden center. So here we go. So this is the box. Sorry about that here. And I'm just going to kind of tip it over so you could see. So this is the first one. It's a very basic house plant, but I'm planning to oh dear, get more of these. This is a Sansevieria. So I would like to place this in my bedroom. Most of our house plants at night, they take in a little bit of oxygen, but this is different. So this is perfect for your bedroom. How do you know? Even this kind of plant, I cannot find it in my garden center.